Hi friends, we're going to learn verbs in the present today, and we're on page 100 to 101. Okay, let's get started with our notes. Okay, verbs in the present. What does that mean? Well, first of all, let's review. Verbs show action. That means somebody's doing something or something is doing something. The noun is a person, place, or thing, and so the verb tells what the noun is doing. Okay, verbs tell when the action happened. So it not only tells us the action, but it tells us when it happened. Okay, so a key word here is when. You can circle that in your notes. When the action happened. Present time. When the verb is telling us what is happening. The present time, right now. So you can actually write the word now in parentheses right there to help you understand what present means. It means right now. Okay? So happening now, and there we have the word now right here, and I circled it. Okay, so present verbs have two forms. They have two forms. The correct form depends on what the noun is. Okay, so form 1, you're going to add an S to the verb when the noun is singular. Singular means one. So go ahead and also add that right next to the word singular so you can remember what the word singular means. It just means one. Single or singular means one. An example. The dog barks. How many dogs? One dog. The dog. Just one dog. And what does the dog do? Barks. Now, if I covered up the S, the dog bark. That doesn't sound right, does it? So we have to add that S to make it sound correct. The dog barks. When does he bark? He's barking right now. Present tense. The dog barks. Okay? All right. And so the dog is the noun and barks is the verb. Good job. Okay. The next one. Hazel laughs. How many Hazels are there? There's just one, so it's a singular noun. And what is she doing? What is the verb? She laughs. Now if I cover up the S and said Hazel laugh, that doesn't sound right, does it? So we need to add that S. Hazel laughs. Laughs. Okay? So that's form 1. Now we're going to go into form 2. Do not add S to the verb when the noun is plural. And plural means many. Plural means many. Okay, so you can add that in parentheses right above the word plural so you can remind yourself what plural means. Plural means more than one, so it's many. An example, Mrs. Langlet's students write. Okay, so what's the noun? It's the students. And how many students? There are many students. It's not one student, there's many students. What are they doing? They write. Now if I would add an S and say writes, let's see if that sounds better. Mrs. Langlet's student writes. No, that's too many S's. That does not sound right. This sounds better. Mrs. Langlet's students write. Okay? Let's do another example. The third graders jump with joy. So what's the noun? Graders, third graders. And what are they doing? They jump with joy. Okay? So we wouldn't add an S to the end of jumps. The third graders jumps with joy. Nope, that doesn't make any sense at all. Okay, let's turn to the in my notebook I have to turn to the next page. So on November 3rd, we're going to do assignment page 101, numbers 7 through 12, and you write only the correct verb. You don't have to write the sentence, just only the correct verb. Now remember, singular, and again, I'm going to write the word one. Singular means one. Noun, you have to add an S to the verb. Plural means many, and you can add that word too, many. Plural means many. Plural noun, do not add S to the verb. Okay, so here we go. Number 7. A chickmunk run under the rocks. A chickmunk runs under the rock. Which one sounds better? Runs. Okay, so all you have to do is write runs. Okay, let's go on to number 8. The horses gallop fast. The horses gallops fast. That doesn't sound right, does it? The horses gallop fast. Gallop is the correct one. Rabbits jump into bushes. Rabbits jumps into bushes. Rabbit jumps into the bushes. So, I'm sorry, rabbits jump into the bushes. So jump, because the noun is plural. So let's go back to our notes. When it's plural, the noun is plural. What do? The noun is plural. We do not add an S. Okay, let's go to the next one. Zoom down on this. Okay. A bear climb trees. A bear climbs trees. What's the noun? Bear is the noun. Is it singular or plural? Is it one bear or many bears? It's just one bear, so we're going to add an S to the verb. A bear climbs trees. That makes sense. Okay. 3 worms wiggle in the grass. 3 worms wiggles in the grass. What's the noun? Worms. Is worms, it says 3 worms. Is there one worm or many worms? There's many worms, so do not add S. 3 worms wiggle in the grass. Okay, last one. The monkey swing on branches. That monkey swings on branches. Okay, what's the noun? The sentence is talking about a monkey. That's the noun. Is there one monkey, singular, or is there many monkeys, plural? There's only one. So if there's only one, singular, we add S to the verb. That monkey swings on branches. Okay, nice job. Remember to take a picture of your notes or your assignment. If you wrote your notes, take a picture of that too, please. All right, kiss your brain.